Welcome back to Next Gen Auto Hub. In the late 1970s, Japan's automotive industry was undergoing a remarkable transformation. The world knew Toyota for its reliability and efficiency, but beneath that reputation, the company's engineers were dreaming of something bolder, something that could blend everyday usability with true sports car performance. That dream materialized in 1978 with the birth of the Toyota Supra first generation, A40, a car that would ignite a legacy of speed, style, and engineering precision that endures to this day. The Supra didn't just mark a new model, it symbolized Toyota's leap into the world of grand touring performance. Before the Supra, Toyota's sports car fame rested on the Celica, a nimble, lightweight coupe introduced in 1970. But by the mid-1970s, Toyota saw an opportunity to evolve, to create a version of the Celica with more power, sophistication, and long-distance comfort. The result was the Celica Supra, internally known as the A40, a name that hinted at its roots while announcing a step forward. When it debuted in April 1978, the Supra represented the bridge between Japanese practicality and European-inspired grand touring luxury. At first glance, the 1978 Supra shared much of its body with the Celica liftback, but a closer look revealed a distinct personality. The front end was elongated to accommodate a larger inline-six engine, a defining feature that would remain central to the Supra's identity for decades. The extra 5.1 inches added to the nose gave the car a sleeker, more aggressive profile. Pop-up headlights, flared fenders, and chrome accents gave it a premium look, while the bold Supra badging announced a new nameplate destined for greatness. Under the hood, Toyota introduced a new engine, the MEU, a 2.6-liter inline-six featuring electronic fuel injection, a rarity for the time. It produced 110 horsepower and 136 pound-foot of torque, numbers that might seem modest today but were impressive in the late 1970s, especially given the car's balance between power and refinement. This engine provided a smooth, linear delivery of power, reflecting Toyota's focus on creating a sports car that was not just fast, but polished and civilized. Performance wasn't the Supra's only strength, it was also about technology and comfort. The A40 introduced several advanced features for its era, including four-wheel independent suspension, disc brakes on all corners, and a 5-speed manual transmission. These components gave the Supra a level of composure and control that rivaled European GT cars of the time. Toyota had engineered it not merely for straight-line speed but for balance, a car that could handle long journeys as gracefully as it tackled mountain curves. Inside, the Celica Supra exuded a sense of refinement rarely seen in Japanese cars of the 1970s. The interior was designed with the driver in mind, bucket seats with deep bolsters, a center console angled toward the driver, and a futuristic instrument cluster that blended analog gauges with digital elements. Features like cruise control, power windows, tilt steering, and air conditioning came standard, luxuries that made the Supra as comfortable as it was capable. This combination of performance and practicality would become the Supra's signature formula for generations to come. Toyota marketed the Celica Supra in the US as a premium sports coupe, something positioned between the affordable Celica and more expensive European competitors like the BMW 3 Series or Datsun 280Z. It was the beginning of Toyota's effort to prove that Japanese engineering could deliver not only reliability but also emotional, driver-focused performance. The car's reception was overwhelmingly positive. Reviewers praised its smooth six-cylinder engine, exceptional build quality, and comfortable ride, calling it a sports car for the real world. What truly set the Supra apart, however, was its dual personality. It could serve as a dependable daily driver, quiet, smooth, and easy to live with, yet, when pushed, it revealed a dynamic spirit. The combination of rear-wheel drive, balanced chassis, and precise steering gave the Supra a genuine sports car feel. The legacy of the 1978 Supra goes far beyond its own production run. It laid the groundwork for what would become one of the most celebrated performance lineups in automotive history. The first-generation Supra established the brand's identity, the inline-six engine, the focus on grand touring comfort, and the pursuit of harmony between power and refinement. Every Supra that followed, from the turbocharged icons of the 1980s and 1990s to the modern GR Supra, owes its DNA to the A40. In retrospect, The 1978 Toyota Supra wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It announced Toyota's arrival on the global sports car stage and showcased the company's ability to innovate beyond practicality. Today, the A40 Supra is cherished not only for its rarity but for what it represents, the dawn of a legend. It's a reminder of a time when Toyota dared to dream bigger, when ambition met precision, and when a humble Celica evolved into something extraordinary. The 1978 Toyota Supra A40 remains a symbol of innovation and confidence, a car that redefined Toyota's identity and set the stage for decades of driving passion. Thanks for watching Next Gen Auto Hub, and as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep driving toward the future.